doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. So today, as you can see, I'm working on my Tag It Tuesday. It is a Facebook group and it's pretty simple. You create a tag or you can do ATCs or altered playing cards. I'm just doing the tags and they give you, well, she gives you 4 prompts and out of the 4 you can use 2. So this month it's newspaper, use a die cut, add texture with a palette knife, and neutrals. I am choosing newspaper and neutrals, which in my head neutrals, I know a lot of people are like this is neutral, right? Like the brown is neutral. Well, I think black and white are neutral too. That's just me though. You know. So I'm just have this simple little idea, and hopefully this video is not going to be too long because this idea is very simplistic and it may look stupid, it may look not so great, but you know, I'm having a little bit of creative block right now. I'm kind of in a little mood, I'm kind of in a little funk, I'm kind of a little, I don't know, I just can't seem to get with it. And I want to do something to just do something. So that's why I'm doing this. But I have no idea if this is going to look good. Blah, blah, blah. So, alright, I have a piece of newspaper here and I have the comics, which cheered me up immensely because, you know, who doesn't love the comics? I know I do. So, what I want to do is just try to get, like, the comments on here, right, like that, and I'm going to roughly cut out what I just stuck down. The card, the tag I'm using is a Distress Tag by Tim Holtz. I got them on clearance a while back from Joann's, and I'm like, why not? Let's just use it. Okay, so I'm gonna just flip it over and I'm gonna make sure that the edges are down, you know, because I do want the edges to be down. Well, maybe I don't know, because I kind of want it to look a little vintagey, because you'll see what I'm thinking. Alright, and now I'm just gonna go over the top with my matte gel medium. I use the Liquitex Professional. I just love it. I think it does a great job. I get it at Michael's when I have a coupon. Alright, so I'm just going to let this dry, and once it's dried, then I'm going to just cut it out a little bit better, and then I'll move on to my next step, and it will probably be one of the last steps. 2 steps today is my thinking anyway. Well, maybe not, because I mean, I've got to put ribbon in it or twine or something. I don't know, but it's not going to be very difficult today. It's going to be very simplistic. Alright, hopefully it will help break up the mood I'm in. Alright, so let's let this dry, and seriously, I'm going to get this side here, and I will be right back. Okay, so it's dry and I've cut it out. Now I'm just going to use some of my Vintage Photo Distressed ink and my Tim Holtz Splatters. Thing here. And it's like somebody has put some coffee on here. Their cup of coffee on there, right? And maybe we've even done it up here. Who knows why they would do such a thing, but they did. So maybe even got a big old glop right there. And I'm going to go on the edges with it. I told y'all this is going to be simple today. Please forgive me for this very simplistic little tag, but this is the kind of mood I'm in today. Just a simplistic, let's not make it too complicated type of mood. All right. Garfield. Everything's better with Garfield. All right, and then I think, let's see. I think I do want to put a sentiment on here. So let me go print that out so that I can put it on here and punch a hole in it so that I can put some twine in it. All right, let me go cut out my sentiment. I'll be back. Okay, so I've got my sentiment printed out. It says, color isn't the only thing cheery. Comics do cheer me up. Okay, so and I will be honest and say it has taken a lot in me not to do more with this, but I don't know, I kind of wanted to just keep it the way it is, you know. I wanted to keep it simple, and so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, let me dry that, and then I'm gonna probably just use one of my markers to go around it, maybe scribble around it, and then while I'm gone, I'll find some twine to put in there, and then I'm serious, I think that's gonna be it. It's very simplistic, very plain, but I'm kind of digging it. I kind of like it, so there you go. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I did take the stencil and kind of went over this a little bit because it got a little smooched when I put the gesso, the matte gel medium over it, so I kind of wanted to grunge it up a little bit more. And then I just used some of my ribbon that's in the neutral colors, and then there you go. I think it turned out really cute. It actually did help me a little bit today because I did want to start putting color on it, and I wanted to start sparkling it up like I normally do, but I held off, and that was a challenge for me, believe it or not, just to have it look like this. That was a huge challenge because I wanted to bling it up. So I'm proud of myself that I just stuck with the plan, and here it is. And I do think it did turn out pretty cute. So, all right, y'all. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope it inspired you just to play, have fun. Even if you're having an off day, just create. Have fun and create. All right, y'all. Well, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.